Okay, let's see how to add the Samsung camera to the Axis camera station. So I have the camera working already. As you can see, a Wisenet Camera or Samsung Techwin, A.K.A Techwin, same brand. Okay, different names, same brand. As you can see, the IP is 192.168.0.245. And I have the Axis camera station here working, ready to insert the new cameras, to add the new cameras. So I just come to add devices, click here on refresh. And the software is going to look for the cameras in the network. I have every camera connecting the same switch and also have this computer connected to the same switch. As you can see, it can find the cameras. I have different cameras here and two of them are Samsung Techwin. Let me just add this one, the K.A 6010R. Here's the IP. And I just click here to add the password. So here, the username and password. Let me just uncheck this option. I want one for this camera. Hit OK. Wait for a while. And as you can see, it's not gray out anymore. So it's working. You see the name, Samsung Techwin. I select the camera and click Add. Quick configuration. Next. And rotation time, recording, automatic, and continuous. And I just hit install. Wait for a while. And the software is going to add the camera to the database. And I have the camera working, license later because I'm just testing this. And here you go. The camera is not here anymore just because it came here to the next menu, cameras. And as you can see, I have the image of the camera here and it's working using OnVIF, all right? So to make things clear, the software doesn't communicate with the camera directly using the VAPX protocol because Axis has the VAPX protocol that works with camera station and Axis cameras, but here it's using OnVIF. You don't even need to enable OnVIF on the Samsung camera because it already comes with OnVIF enabled. So it's working. I can come here to live view and view the camera. It's working, as you can see. And I can come here and work on the recording method. In this case, it's already recording continuously, but there is no motion detection. At least there is no option to enable motion detection, okay? But you can make it work with motion detection. You just need to create an event for that. So you come here to action rules and let's create a new rule. New, and then you can have a trigger. Let me add a trigger here. In this case, it's not motion detection, at least not for third-party cameras. That works with Axis camera, but for Samsung, you need to come here to device event and select this device event, hit OK, and then you choose the camera, the K.A 6010R. That's the only one that I have here. And then you come to event and you choose motion detection. That's the way it works, okay? And here's some activity that you can see if it's working or not. And then you hit OK. Next. And now the action. Okay, you have the event that's detect motion. And now you have the action, which is record. So you add here and choose record. Hit OK again. Here's the profile that's going to record using motion detection. That's the only one that I have. Pre-buffer and post-buffer. Hit OK. And next. Record always, or based on the schedule, I record always. I will just hit finish here and I'm done with the motion detection configuration. Now I have the camera working with continuous mode and motion detection. Even if you don't see here on record motion, you don't see the motion detection enabled here. You see only continuous, but you know that it's going to record based on these action rules, based on events.